11th July 2022, sadly replaced here, but with the wooden interior. It's on Huvilinnantie, Lustslottsvägen, was it 2? Yes, 2.
Yeah.
Staircase B. We can also go to the staircase A because they have a wooden interior. We have to check that this was built originally, but it was replaced in 2017, but also with a dockhouse button, and the number is 4298393. The capacity is 8 persons, 680 grams. It will be inspected in the next year, 2023. It's not bad, but of course it's too early.
Yeah.
Whatever it was from around 2000, it was really early.
Yeah.
Only about 17 years after.
Yeah. Inspekteetpaakki on inspekteert med Kone.
Yeah. But at least with wooden interior.
Yeah.
And also with a door close button. Yeah, that's it. But still too early, of course.
Yeah.
Maybe it was from the late 1990s. But we check when it was built.
That's